This video is to demonstrate the ease of use of a quad clamp and how to put it onto the OR table, as well as how to remove the quad clamp and take it apart for cleaning purposes. The quad clamp relies on the knob being fully open to place onto the side rail. Sometimes the clamp won't fully open when the knob is loose. If the clamp won't open fully, there's an easy solution. Flip the quad clamp over so that it's upside down, place one finger on the silver bolt, and let the clamp fall fully open. To apply the quad clamp to the OR table, determine where you want the DeMayo knee positioner to be, place the quad clamp under the pinholes, put the quad clamp over the drape onto the side rail, and tighten the knob all the way down. Once the knob is tight, back it out a half to a 3/4 turn, and let the pins fall in. You should never have to use any instrument to hammer the pins down. If they won't go in, simply loosen the knob a little further. Then tighten the knob until it's all the way tight and secure to the table. To release the quad clamp, loosen the knob, pull the pins out, and remove the DeMayo knee positioner. Then you can fully loosen the quad clamp and remove it from the side rail of the OR table. To disassemble, spin the knob all the way tight, remove the knurled screw, and then fully loosen the knob until it comes off of the threaded T-bolt. Do not let the knob fall onto the ground, as it could possibly damage the knob when it hits the ground. Drop the threaded T-bolt out and take the quad clamp apart for easy cleaning. To assemble the quad clamp after cleaning, take the two pieces with the curved end in first. That's going to allow for easy assembly. Drop the threaded T-bolt in, and then with your index finger, hold the T-bolt, turn it over, spin the knob, and you're going to want to tighten the knob all the way down. Once the knob is tight, take the knurled screw, turn it in, tighten it all the way, and once it's tight, the quad clamp is ready for application.